Hi, and welcome to Settled. This is the first of what is going to be a series of instructional videos that are designed to allow new users to quickly come up to speed on how to use the Settled system as a whole, and also for existing users if they need to polish anything up or just want to make sure they're taking advantage of all the features. It's a resource for them as well. Whenever you've joined Settled and you've logged on to your account, you're going to be taken to this dashboard where you're going to get an introduction to the Settled system and an overview on analyzing your client data. From this screen, this is going to be where you can view your profile if you need to make any changes to your profile as a user. You can also do that under the name up here for the name of the user. You can also log out here. If you need any support questions answered, we have a frequently asked questions section that is updated from time to time, quite regularly actually, with things that we think that would be of use to the users. And also, if you find something that's not addressed in the frequently asked questions section, you can open a support matter by creating support ticket, and you'll be able to enter into a dialogue with our programmers and us folks here at Settled. In the event that that doesn't resolve your issue, you can always email us at any time at support@settled.com. Soon we're going to be adding a chat feature that will allow you to chat in real time should you have any issues, even if you need help setting up client files or otherwise. Once your client files are set up, you'll use this Manage Client and Documents link to get to the documents to actually analyze the financial data in your case. One thing I do want to show you before we move on is from time to time we'll do emails from Settled, and those will appear in your inbox up here in the top right. Watch that icon. If it turns into a number other than 0, that means you have email from us. Please review that because we'll keep you updated with important information from time to time there. So now to set up a new client, we're going to go to the Add Client tile. We're going to press that, and it's going to take us to a page where we will add the particular information for our client. And this is going to be the information that we need for when it comes time to have a financial declaration generated. For instance, we're going to need to know the county, we're going to need to know the judicial circuit, we're going to need to know the opposing party's name. Yes, we misspelled wife. As for our client, he's going to be the plaintiff. We want it to read financial declaration of the plaintiff, and we want the case caption to denote our client as the plaintiff. Enter in your particular docket number here. So we'll have that available. The address of the client, their age, their occupation, their employer, where they work, the address of their employer or where their employment is. And finally, what we want to do is we want to add in their email address. We'll talk about that in a moment. Everything's complete. We're going to create a new client. It's going to take us over and show us the client information page, but we misspelled wife. So let's go to Edit Profiles because we can go back and at any time we can change that. Again, simply press Save. It'll take you back here. You review everything. Everything's okay. Know that it says Active down here. We'll talk about that in a moment. When we press OK or Manage the Documents file up there, it is going to take us to a page with all of our clients. From here, it'll show us the number of the matter that client has just been opened up, the client name, the docket number, county, the opposing party, the date it was created. We can edit, the same thing that we did just a moment, or view, to go back to the client's profile, edit as we did just a moment, or we can delete. And if we press delete, it'll ask us if we want to remove it permanently. It'll give a twin check warning. Once you delete a file, it is gone forever and it cannot be recovered. So again, if you need to delete a file, press this X. It'll ask you not once, but twice if you want to delete the file, and once it is deleted, it is gone forever and cannot be recovered from our servers. So in the event that you need to clear up space on your Manage Client page, archive your files under this link and they will be stored on the server, but you'll have additional room here and it'll clear things up. Now, this last icon here generates financial declaration form access for your client. And if you click this, it is going to give you a unique username for your client and a password that will allow them to log into the Settled system and enter financial declaration information directly from their home computer or wherever they would choose to. So this allows you to send this link to the client, have them enter the financial declaration information, then you will have it waiting for you in your office or on any machine that you're using that has internet connectivity. You can review this and have your financial declaration essentially completed or in large form filled out by even as early as the first time that you meet with a client, if not before. So what we're going to do is we are now going to email this link to the client. That'll be waiting for them in their email inbox. And we're going to pick up our next lesson with how a client would go through and how the client would fill out their financial declaration with the link that you just sent them. So thanks for stopping by today, and make sure to come back for more lessons.